Guys, what is the main thing? What I learned, I started September 1st, open in front of the people. First, I check about the social media. Believe me, nobody company launch in 10 months. If you check, our beta phase version is launched for the people 22nd February 2020. 22nd February 2021, we completed 1 year. If you check about the Facebook, if you check about the any companies, nobody company launch in 8 to 10 months. Yeah, we need to understand what is the beta phase version. Some people are tense, definitely. Why they tense? Because they are not creating more people. If you work now in 4 months in my only African team, if I'm talking, one is guy only said he's earning 4,000 US dollar per month in 3 months. 3 months he started 4,000 US dollar, 2,800 team size. The thing is, if depend on you where you focus. When public launch, I know one thing: when people are coming as a free, you never receive your purpose income because people are coming free. They just give you one single unit, and this unit's placed in your garden. But this guy's ID put in your purpose, but it's free. So what is the main thing? We have a time to build a purpose tree, and definitely I request the people, if you are very tensed about the public launch, brother, I just tell you, just wait for a few months, just stop the work, no problem. Just wait for a few months, and after that, when you open your eyes, then you look. You have two way. First, if you walk slowly, slowly, you earn every day few good income. Because company launch in front of the people when our platform is going to very strong. Because when we launch for the public, free people coming like mosquitoes, and company doesn't want to crash his website. We have just completed 10 months. Entire world is open. If you look the Vietnam, I saw the people they have in back office, I think 40,000 US dollar and 66,000 VT. They work like that. Why? I understand little because they can't understand English. They don't know about English. If you're putting his wall anything negative or positive things, they can't understand. They need only one thing: just work and work and work. Definitely, what we need to understand first, our legal part. Yeah, you go check on Google. Our all legal part is very strongly we work. We are registered under the Swiss bank, under the handle register in Switzerland. Switzerland, sorry. We had a head office in Switzerland. If you check our domain register is 2013 to 2025. We are not born and bottom in Corona period. We're planning 2012, 2013. Or definitely, I look and our new layout is awesome. If you check, very soon company will launch. Your guy is going to crazy. Is look like Instagram and Facebook is very powerful layout, and I know when this layout come on the front of the public, people are going to crazy. Just look in before 72 hour when WhatsApp launch something, we need to upgrade yourself term and condition. What about the Signal? In 72 hour, Signal is going to hold fastest downloading application worldwide. One mistake doing WhatsApp. VT is a definitely new platform, but is stronger than that kind of company platform. Nobody born in bottom in 6 feet. And when people are born in bottom is a small, right? Facebook launched his beta phase period 2004 if you Google, but he launched for the public in 2009. That time I'm using Orkut and Yahoo Messenger. And when you use the WhatsApp and nobody asks the legal document about the WhatsApp also, right? Or YouTube also, but you have account. We need to talk like educated people. We need to work as educated people. Nobody force you guys. It's depend on you. You just check each and everything, legal part and illegal part also, plus and minus also. If we are hurry about the public launch, I just ask you one question. If company launch because of the leader pressure, incomplete platform in front of the public, then free people are coming in, million people, who take the responsibility? You. I work in direct selling industry last 16 years, and I'm a diamond director in 4 international companies. And I know When ship is going to down, first rat is jump and they gone. The leaders is just like a passenger. Is train is stop, they just change the train. And what about the company? Company have vision stronger than you. Believe me. If you not believe me, I don't care. You believe yourself. Otherwise, you wait for some time. Oh, thank you so much to all guys who are attending today call.